Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just grab it using the link in the description below. Now let us get into this review. In this video, I am looking at ZAAD. It's an MT5 expert advisor built by developer Abd Al Mohmen Mohaj Madon, and the EA is priced at 500 US dollars to buy. It's on version 263.0, last updated in early July 2026. Scrolling into the description, this is positioned as a modular trading framework rather than a single signal robot. Okay, following a layered process, strategy selection, directional filters, you know, execution, grid management, lot control, risk protection, and dashboard monitoring all in one system. Going through the available entry strategies, this includes stochastic and RSI level reactions, a moving average cross, an ADX signal, and a Heikin Ashi Pro family. With numerous specialized modes covering trend continuation, reversal, pullback, claim, and breakout confirmation, amongst others. Right, so moving into the filter stack, there are directional filters based on RSI, moving averages, ADX, and stochastic, along with general buy and sell direction control and optional trading sessions, all designed to approve or block trades based on whether conditions match the selected direction. Now, on execution, this supports market orders, pending orders, or a mixed approach with distance controls and what is called RADAR radar, the radar logic to monitor how far pending orders sit from current price. Okay, the grid architecture includes configurable spacing, lot progression, and ATR aware pending distance option and exposure limits. Risk and protection tools cover stop loss and take profit, trailing stops, chain level protection, floating profit and loss rules, equity trailing, and drawdown zone management, all visible through an on chart dashboard. All right, so we can see here ZAAD is suitable for traders who want the professional MT5 expert advisor with organized inputs, multiple strategy options inside one framework, pending order and grid-based execution control, directional filters for cleaner trade approval, risk and drawdown management tools, and a structured system instead of a chaotic settings panel. All right. And of course, ZAAD is a trading tool that does not guarantee profits, and the assets that are tradable, of course, involve high risk. Backtest results and historical performance do not guarantee future results, and so on and so forth. So now let's just head over to the backtest, and I want to be upfront about something specific here. This test produced 0 trades over the entire period. Okay, and I want to walk through this transparently rather than skip past it. So this test covered XAUUSD-M. This is XNES broker, and tested on H4 time frame, but specifically only from July 1st through July 19th. The reason for this was the backtest was taking a lot of time. It was really time consuming, so I just had to limit the duration for the test. And you can see the backtest took over 30 minutes just for the backtest alone. All right, and then you know that's around an 18-day window. which on the H4 time frame works out to under 80 total bars of price data. Okay, so with a system built around these many stacked layers, a chosen entry strategy, multiple directional filters, and grid and execution conditions all needing to align, it's entirely possible that this short a window simply didn't produce a qualifying setup under whatever configuration was loaded, particularly if a more selective strategy mode or filter combination was in use, right? So I want to be clear, this is a plausible explanation, not a certainty. All right. It is equally possible a specific setting or strategy selection played a role. All right. And that is something that is worth clarifying directly with the developer. Okay. And I can also see that there was no backtest, report presented here on the page. Instead, what we just have here is just the inputs, basically, just image of the inputs, no image of strategy report. Okay, so given zero trades, there is nothing here to evaluate in terms of win rate, drawdown or profit factor. All right, this test simply doesn't provide performance data one way or the other. All right, so now just judging from what we have covered so far from the marketplace page, we have gone through the description, the features of this expert advisor and all of that. So given all that we have analyzed so far, who might this expert advisor be suitable for? Based on what we have covered, this test didn't generate enough activity to draw any conclusions. So I am just going to recommend running a considerably longer test. Given that the expert advisor seems to be taking a lot of time for the back testing, then maybe you want to run it during your convenient time. And of course, maybe you can have it running and you go about doing other things, right? Unless if maybe luckily for you the test happens to be so swift. All right, this is not the first EA I am analyzing, so you know there are quite a lot of EAs that do not take so much time for backtest to be completed, even if you are running it over half a year or even more than that. All right, so I would say that you should run the test over a longer period of time, multi-month window. Actually, you can run it over several months or even a year or several years if you have the patience, right? Before evaluating the EA's actual performance. Now, as always, no expert advisor is universally suitable, and in this case more testing time is needed before there is anything meaningful to access. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.